Beautiful evening here. I have a little shrimp ball up now. Brother's coming down there to join me. Get far around the goal now. Talk to you guys later.
You might pour some water in on the shrimp to that warm water, get it tied up.
Probably.
So it won't be. Right, mostly just wraps up, that's all. So can't cook them up too much.
The handle might be hot there, Tom.
Is it? Nah. So what is coming in fast?
Yeah, I put in rocks there when I just came there.
Yeah. Yeah. Getting worried about burning anything.
I don't know. Packing wood, I guess. And there's a pack, a little bag I used to have when I in St. John's going to school.
Oh,
That was my book bag.
okay.
I was
So
back
them,
in
them Delta waterfowl bags, nice bags now. They're made of stuff you can put your birds in that any bleeds out or whatever. Don't hurt the bag. All you got to do is just rinse them off with a bit of water and perfect.
Yeah, I went to the Army surplus store there. Picked it up.
That stuff is nice to have, but it's so friggin' much money when you're only using it for like so many days or so many weeks of the year.
There's like a lot of people moving out of the parks and building their own cabin, right? They're spending up to $2,000 a year just for the storage in the park.
Yeah,
right?
well, I think up there in Pine Ridge now it's something like $1,800. I know when we left it, that's what we was paying. So. There you go, Curtis Point. hot.
I see Kelvin's Corner 72. Love to have some of them.
You want the guy from here very line for the seagulls have that clean up.
This part of saying taking
Oh yeah.
throw all your mess out and good time.
Sounded good. I starved it, haven't picked them up for myself though.